Welcome to lecture 21 of Dogonomics. This lecture is entitled, let's have a look at the photo. Here we have a little baby duck on top of a Labrador's head. What does it suggest to you? Okay, so I had a variety of suggestions from my class. One of them was piggybacking. Piggyback exporting describes the situation in which one company markets its products through the distribution channels of a second company. So therefore my products, my company, are marketed through your distribution channels. I'm piggybacking onto your distribution channels. Why do this? Well, first reason is a local company may want to enter multinational markets. So I want to enter multinational markets, but I haven't got the finances to do so. I haven't got the experience. I haven't got the already established distribution channel. And I want to learn how to do it. So therefore I come to a deal with you that I use your distribution channels and you get some percentage of it. Or secondly, another reason could be an existing multinational company is seeking to fill out its product line in order to stay competitive overseas. Piggybacking involves products which complement one another instead of competing. This is one of the least problematic ways of exporting or to enter foreign markets. Because remember, your distribution channel is already established. So I'm merely selling my goods through your channel. Or you're a multinational with a whole range of products, a range of distribution channels, and you are selling your products through a different distribution channel in another country. It's already established. So it depends how effective your distribution channel is, of course, and it depends also on my product and on competition. Nevertheless, piggybacking, using your established services to sell my product. That is what piggybacking is. Now that picture, that sweet little bird on top of the Labrador who looks incredibly peaceful, I should say, or content or maybe resigned, the bird on top is relying on the Labrador to take the bird wherever the Labrador goes. So piggybacking. Right, let's move on to lecture 22.